Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's episode, we are going to try this trendiest new beverage that has been all over social media. Dalgona coffee. In a large mixing bowl, combine 3 tablespoons instant coffee, 3 tablespoons white sugar, and 3 tablespoons cold water. First, let's mix all the ingredients manually using a spatula. And since mine is missing, I decided to use a wooden spoon. Guys, you know what? This new trend was apparently started in South Korea. Guys, we are going to make this one foamy and fluffy. Using an electric hand mixer, whip it for about 5 to 8 minutes. Guys, make sure you start from low speed and slowly increase the speed to high. If you don't have a hand mixer, don't worry because you can do this manually. It's just that it will take a little more time. You know what? I'm having a good time doing this because I can see a little transformations going on there. See? It started to get floppy, yeah. It's almost done. I think we already achieved the fluffiness and delicious looking whipped coffee. Now let's transfer this to a sandwich bag. Of course, if you have a pastry cream plastic piping bag, you better use that. You know what? I made this one because I really got curious. If you're on TikTok, you've probably seen videos of people making whipped coffee. Since you're facing uncertainties and I hope you are #stay home, you won't probably miss Starbucks because you can make your own craft or cold coffee right in your kitchen. Set this one aside for now, and we will ready our glasses of ice and milk. Your choice. It can be full cream or low fat. This one's for me, and the other one is for my sister. That small one. Now it's about time. Let's top it up with our foamy whipped coffee. Let's make it more delicious looking by dusting cocoa powder on top. I finally tasted it. Wow, strangely soothing, huh? Presenting our Dalgona coffee. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Till then.